Bill. Here we are up in the mountains.
Here we are.
On another recovery. Hopefully this is my last one. I got 54 days to retirement. Would you look at that? This makes some good video.
Oh.
What
Well,
causes that?
I say.
Oh, look how nice it is up here. Look at that.
I'm going to get some wrenches. We just unbolt it and run it.
Well, we got the caliper loosened up so she'll roll down the hill. Change her out when we get back. Would you look at that? There he goes. For our next trip, for our next trick, we will attempt to change these brakes and rotor out in one day. Yes, it can happen, only because Bill, Master Sno-Cat Technician, has done it before. I will be here to assist. I'll be going like this. Doctor, doctor, like that. Ready, go. Okay, there we go. Specialty cameraman Bill. We're going to explain what our theory
You need to
is.
shut your light off.
No, look in this hole. Look in this hole. See that port?
I see the port.
That's a reservoir port.
No.
So, when you apply the brake pedal,
Wait. I don't know if I can get in the...
port closes, pressure is then accumulated in the piston port and comes out and applies pressure to the calipers. If this is adjusted at the pedal to where this does not return to open port, you will hold residual pressure throughout the line from the calipers.
And resulting in problems.
This is from excess caliper being applied from the pressure not being released if that port was closed. This used to be an O-ring. It's not an O-ring no more. And these are aluminum, so the heat just melted the aluminum.
Well, it also... The pad is going to...
Yeah, the pads look like...
There is no pad.
It's what they look like. This is what the original pad, it's a little puck pad. It's completely gone. So, yeah, well at least they stopped the vehicle before it caught on fire. So, hey, I smell something. So, da-da-da, Brett and Bill will rescue. Again. But the way they mount this, it's a lot of fun. Not really. Alright, cut. Draining the transfer case. Dun da da da. Oh my goodness, that's not good.
Holy shit.
Oh, that is bad. What do you think, Bill?
That's not initial shit either.
This is not good, folks. That metal came from somewhere. So here we are trying to discuss the game plan with this transfer case. It is a known problem with this vehicle type.
Does it look like it was full?
I don't know. I think we should save it for summer service.
Ah! That's because Brett's not gonna be here, you bastard.
Together, you gotta fucking apply it and you gotta look and go, fuck, I'm too deep on this side, not shallow on this side, so you get... Would you stop?
Tell us how it goes, Bill. How do you put these together?
Here, put these on, makes you look smarter.
Redirected. This is easy work. We take the laptop and a screwdriver and a reprogrammed TCM. Come out here and reprogram another vehicle. Alright, Tucker light. And cut. So these are running the new style Allison transmissions. The I have this TCM controlling it. We're sending them out to get reprogrammed to take out one of the gears so we can bring down the speed a little bit. So then we have to talk to the ECM after that, bring the top speed, road speed down to match the top speed of this reprogram to TCM. There's Bill. Look at that.
Look at that go.
Look at that screwdriver work. Tell us what we're doing, Bill.
We're gonna make this thing go 90 miles an hour.
All right, vehicles on.
Okay. How about 11?
Speeders connected. We are in the Cummins Insight program. We got our J1939 Bluetooth connected. We're going to go to road speed. Look at that, 10 miles an hour. If I can find my mouse. We are going to give them, first we have to do this one first. We have to go to 11, click off, let it think about it, get to that circle's done. And then
Go to the next double
look
line.
at this one.
Good job.
And then we press 1, 1, 1. Uh-oh, used to have a problem. We're only gonna give them 1 mile an hour. Shit. And cut. Okay, back to what we were doing. 11 miles an hour. And we come up
what
to
happened?
this thing
Why did it go to expire?
and hit that little button right there. Send to ECM. We're gonna rewrite this shit. It's hard to film and do it at the same time. Okay. Then we turn it off for a while, then
Ready?
turn it back on.
Turn off?
Stuff. Yeah.
Now?
Okay, go. That's what we're doing. Alright, that one turned out good, but then our groomer has issues again. Going uphill, slid backwards. And bent the track setters. Oh man. It's okay. We have the technology. We can fix this stuff. What do you think, Carlos? There's our operator.
When you have that at idle,
Really? That should be bad.
Nope. Another bad bump.
another bad pump.